Hello viewers, this is the Coin Curiosity channel, and we have a military challenge coin that we will be reviewing. And so we like to do these from time to time to explain what the designs mean on the coins, their history, and just having an appreciation for another type of coin that is out there. So we'll go ahead and open the plastic. So this challenge coin is from the EOD Squadron. That is the Explosive Ordnance Disposal. And they have a few different locations that they are permanently assigned to. This came out of Nellis Air Force Base, which is Las Vegas, Nevada. And in attempting to dissect the coin, I am not sure. So if anybody knows that's watching it, if there's any significance to the pips that they are showing on the die. As far as I'm aware, the EOD Squadron is out of the 99th Civil Engineering Squadron from Nellis Air Force Base. So, these pips don't equal 99. We have 7, and then it would be 14 pips showing over here. Is it supposed to be 46, 16, 15? It could just be random die because it is Las Vegas, so, casinos, gambling. It is a worthwhile note, as I like to always point out, was some thought put into how the coin was made, and not sure who actually made this one. There are many different companies that make challenge coins, but the pips are, I'll say accurate if I'm not mistaken. At the very least, we're not being shown any sides that we shouldn't see. So you should be able to take the opposite side, and they should add up to 7. So on the opposite side of the 1 would be a 6, the opposite side of the 4 would be a 3, and then the 5 would be on top. But I'm not sure if the orientation of those pips is correct. Theoretically, it should be, but I didn't do that much of a deep dive. Anywho, not sure what the die is supposed to represent, but EOD, again, Explosive Ordnance Disposal. Nellis Air Force Base is written on the bottom of the coin, on the inner circle. And then we do have the skyline of Las Vegas. And so we have, as I grab a pointer, so should be the Luxor Pyramid, the flamingos representing various aspects of the city and the military. Then you have the stratosphere. Should be Bellagio, New York, New York, with Statue of Liberty. And then Mandalay Bay, that's probably the Wynn, and then the Las Vegas sign. The outer ring of the coin is just what I'm presuming are skull and crossbones on a little makeshift bomb for design that goes all the way around. And then we have a smooth edge, and as well as a smooth rim, so there's no beveling. It does have a little bit of recess to some of the areas. And then flipping the coin over, so you could make a case either way on which is the front and back of the coin are the obverse and the reverse of the coin. But flipping it over to the other side. So then we have the explosive ordnance disposal badge that they are displaying in the center of the coin. And the wreath then is the supposed to be a symbol of the achievements and the, we'll say the laurels that are gained, minimizing accident potentials, as well as serving as a memory of those who gave their lives while performing the duties. Then you have the bomb in the middle. This is copied from a World War II bomb disposal badge design. And it represents the historic and major objective of the EOD attack, which is the unexploded bomb. And the 3 fins on the bomb itself, so 1, 2, and then the third one in the middle. But the 3 fins represent the major areas of nuclear, conventional, and then the chemical/biological areas of interest. The lightning bolts symbolize the destructive power of the bomb and the courage and professionalism of EOD personnel in their endeavors to reduce hazards. And then the shield, and that is the shield going around the bomb with the blue field, represents the EOD's mission, which is to prevent a detonation and protect the surrounding area and property to the utmost. So that is the EOD Air Force Occupational Badge. Now, the 2 pieces left to be discussed are the star and wreath up top and the star that is placed on the middle of the bomb. So as you go through various parts of training throughout your military career and your specific occupation, as well as gaining rank, you end up adding portions to your badge. And that would be the star and the wreath on top. So traditionally, your occupational badge would not have the star and the wreath. So it would just be that portion itself. When you complete training and gain rank, you end up adding the star. And then when you rank up again and complete further training, you get the highest badge, which is then adding the wreath around the star. So first badge is just known as the basic occupational badge. The star is the senior badge. And then with the wreath is your master badge. There are slight other variations for different occupations, but no need to discuss those at this time as they do not apply. And then for the star in the center of the bomb, again, if anybody has any additional information that can potentially shed some more light on why they decided to do this, that is the EOD squadron, is once you get your senior ranking, so once you add the star up top, then they also place a star in the middle of the bomb. So your basic EOD badge does not have this upper portion, and the star is removed. But once you get your senior badge, that star is added. Other occupations within the military, specifically at least to the Air Force, do not add additional pieces to the badge itself. The only additions are, again, your star and then your wreath. So, anybody's guess on why they decided to do that. So if anybody has any information on that and can point to a solid reference for everyone to peruse, that would be great. So we'll go ahead and take now weight for the coin, as we like to do. So typically you're around 1 ounce for a coin. So we'll see what we have. So we're in ounces. So we have 1.58 ounces for this coin. And then your standard size diameter is 1 inch. And this is going to be slightly larger. So we have nearly a 2-inch challenge coin, which is a good size. It's a good weight. You know, feels good in the hand. I would argue that you could probably add about another ½ ounce of material to get a very good weight for the 2-inch diameter coin. But, you know, fairly simplistic design. Good coloring. It is picking up some of the oil from my fingers, as noted by the fingerprints that can be seen. But, again, beautiful colors, good skyline, and then very vivid enamel colors on the other side of the coin. Typically, your coins are made from either nickel or brass within the military. So this is most likely a nickel core with a brass finish on the outside. And then let's do just a closer look on these symbols here. So let me go ahead and put this underneath the scope. All right, and we are back. So yes, as we can see, you know, it's hard to make out exactly what that symbol is, but I'll just venture to say that it's supposed to be a skull and crossbones. And then going through with the badge itself. And flipping the coin back over. Again, the same design. And there's that skyline, again, for a better look. And good detail. You know, especially as we're getting here on the Las Vegas welcome sign. So welcome to fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. Did pretty good detail for as small as that would be. So not a bad coin. Not a bad coin at all. You know, would venture to say that you're probably looking at around, you know, $20 to acquire a coin that is of this variety, or at least of similar nature. Now, they do tend to change out their designs from time to time, so easily can go up in value. But $20 is what I would expect to pay for this EOD military challenge coin out of Nellis Air Force Base. I do hope that you have all enjoyed the history of this military challenge coin, and we will be back again as we explore more of the coins within the military. On behalf of the Coin Curiosity channel, thank you for watching. Take care.